So I kept seeing these ads with Snoop Dogg eating a vegan pork rind. And I've been touting pork rinds on my community tab for a few weeks now. Now, this is something that I've wanted to tackle for quite a while. I've seen restaurants across the country do it. I've seen vegan pork rinds trending on different Instagram pages, YouTube channels, social media. Vegan pork rinds are pretty much everywhere. Now, I took a look at Snoop Dogg's vegan pork rinds. They come from a company called Pig Out. Now, the Pig Out pork rinds are actually more than just marketed by Snoop Dogg. He actually invested in the company that makes them. I still haven't got my hands on them yet, and I haven't got to try them, but I did look at the ingredients label to see what they are made of. They're made from a simple snack that Monica and I have been enjoying for years. Essentially, they're made from rice paper. Now, rice paper is essentially what's used for a Vietnamese summer roll. It's also what's used in one of the most popular vegan bacons from Veggie Veg, the rice paper bacon. Now, rice paper is pretty versatile. You can use it for a lot of different things, and you can buy a lot of them really cheap. They store in your pantry and they last for forever. I feel like they never go bad. I don't know, I might be wrong on that. But anyways, I'm gonna show you how to make a vegan pork rind, a really killer plant-based snack using just rice paper and any seasoning that you like. Now, the Pig Out version, Snoop Dogg's version of these snacks is gonna be just a little bit different. Honestly, not much. This is gonna be pretty close. Now, in my version, I'm just gonna use the rice papers, nothing added to them, one ingredient, and some cooking oil. You can use whatever oil you like, just make sure that it has a high smoke point. I'm gonna do this in a cast iron skillet. We're gonna add just a bit of oil, enough to cover the entire bottom of the skillet. I'm gonna use a medium heat, and since I'm using corn oil, I'm gonna bring this up to about 375 degrees. So while we're waiting for this to heat up, I'm just gonna cut my rice paper sheets into strips. Now, I'm gonna probably cut it in half across, and then smaller strips lengthwise, probably about 1.5 inches by 2 inches. You don't want these to be too big because they won't fry right. If it's too big, you'll see what I'm talking about. These smaller ones are gonna fry perfect, and they're gonna make really nice chip sizes. Okay, so I just have my bowl here on the side. I got my oil heated up. It's heated up pretty hot right now. And we're just gonna slowly, and I'm not gonna do too many of these at a time because it's literally seconds. Here we go, here's one, and watch, I'm just gonna drop it in. Done. So I'm gonna do that again in real time, and all I'm gonna do is just kind of make sure that this drips off because I don't want to put any of the oil in there. I just want it to drip. Done, and you can see how big these things get off of these sheets, and then you end up with this incredible puffed snack that is just, they're honestly out of this world. Let's keep moving. I'm gonna fill up this bowl with just these 2 sheets of rice paper. Now, if you wanna kind of brown them up a little bit, you can leave them in for just a second longer. I like them pretty much right out of the fryer. Now, if you notice any like clear spot on your skin, go ahead and flip it over to make sure that everything fries. You don't want any sort of like rice paper portion left. You want it to be all nice and puffed up. So as you can see, we just filled this bowl just using 2 rice paper sheets. When you buy rice papers, it comes with like dozens of them. So I actually just cut another sheet, but I cut them a little bit smaller. I'm gonna just kind of throw a few in at a time and just grab them out really quick before they burn. And we're just gonna kind of keep going. I figured, you know what, I already have the oil hot and stuff. I might as well make some more. Just on their own, without any sort of seasoning, which is how Monica and I eat them, these things are so good. Incredibly good. But let's say you wanted to give them a little bacony taste. Now, all I'm gonna do to do this like bacony kind of taste, I'm gonna lightly drizzle on some maple syrup onto these guys. And I'm talking lightly drizzle on some syrup. We don't wanna do too much. If you wet them, those rice papers are just gonna soak in any sort of liquid that you give them. And then I'm gonna make mine just a bit spicy. I'm gonna do just a little bit of chipotle pepper. I'm gonna do a decent amount of paprika, and then another good hit of garlic powder. Now I'm just kind of mixing them up in my little mortar here just so I can kind of make sure there's no clumps or anything. We're just gonna take our seasoning mixture here and just kind of sprinkle it over the top of these guys with that maple syrup. And then just give them a toss. Whoop, we lost one. That is pretty friggin' awesome. Huge fan of that. Now say you want yours to be a little cheesy, you want some cheesy rinds. Let's do the same thing. We're gonna drizzle on just a touch of sesame oil, 1/2 of a teaspoon. Now I'm gonna do just a bit of some sea salt here, and then a bit of nutritional yeast. Also gonna use just a touch of garlic powder. And again, just a little bit of paprika. We're just using it for color this time. And then same thing, just kind of mix these guys up. Give these guys just a sprinkle, and that salt, nutritional yeast, paprika should stick. For the last flavor, I'm gonna do like a taco one, like a taco seasoning. So we're gonna do some chili powder, cumin, a little touch of paprika. I really love paprika on these things. If you have like a smoked paprika, that might be pretty good too. A little bit of garlic powder. And then on this one, we're just gonna do a little bit of salt, not much. Mix these guys together. Smell it, because it should smell like a taco seasoning. So here, I mean, look at these things. Look at them. That is the vegan pork rind based on Snoop Dogg's pig out snacks that he's been promoting the heck out of. Snoop, if you watch this, I hope you don't mind that I shared this really easy recipe version for the thing that you're selling. I got 3 flavors here. Monica doesn't know what I've made. I kind of want to see if you can guess the flavor.
Okay. Grab your pork rind.
Do these remind you of pork rinds?
I actually remember the last time I had them was in 2008 at Bonnaroo.
Wow.
Yes.
They do, okay, they remind you of pork rinds. Okay, try them out, tell me what you think, what flavor it is.
Like a cheesy flavor, smoky cheese.
Boom, cheese. I can snack the living heck out of these. This one's gonna be my favorite one.
Bacon.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Definitely very bacony. So what do you think though? Like, I mean.
Oh my God, it's so good. I like this one better than the cheese one.
Last up, let's see if she can guess it.
Like a taco.
So you like them, they're a good pork rind?
For sure.
Yeah, these things are great. They're the easiest snacks. You saw how quick I put this together, almost just as quick as this video. Snoop, like I said, if you see this, reach out, man. I will come up with some flavors for your pig out brand. I haven't got to try them yet. I am really excited to try them. Monica's like, yeah, take a bowl, baby.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, she's taking a whole bowl. Yeah, I really am excited to try the pig outs if I get a chance to. I haven't seen them around. I've been looking at the grocery stores. As soon as I see them, I am gonna pick those things up. But that's it, my easy vegan pork rinds. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, please click the subscribe button and click this video right here. It's gonna be part of my bacon series. I think that goes along pretty well with these.